Welcome back, boutique babes. Here on Sharon's Nail Boutique. Won't you be a doll and hit that subscribe button, the like, and share while you're at it if you don't mind. We are going to be unboxing this one leaf drill bit holder and this Rarjsm nail liner, gel liner detailing brushes. So I've already taken upon myself to kind of fill these in, but I absolutely freaking love this thing. Now it seems simple enough, right? It's just a piece of foam with slits in it that holds your drill bits nice and tightly. It also has a pocket there so you can put your mandrel bits in there if you want to. I really love this thing, and I know it's something that's simplistic, but I had my drill bits like all over the place in different areas, and I just love that there's so much room in this thing. Look at all the drill bits I have, right? That's a lot, and I still have more, but look at all the room there is for these drill bits, and look at how tightly this holds everything. I demonstrated for you that you could tip this upside down and your drill bits are not gonna fall out. I mean, what's the point of having them in like that foam thing if they're just gonna fall out anyway? So other than that too, it zips all the way around. You have a arm wrist holder thing. 5 out of 5 stars. Definitely pick this up. I will leave the link in the cards for you below. This is the Rarjsm 12-piece gel liner detailing brushes, and I got it in the nude palette. So it comes with your white and your black, but then you get that complete variety of nudes. Oh my goodness. If you have not picked this up yet, you're definitely missing out. I will tell you that. You get all the instructions on the back, the product descriptions, you get ingredients, method of use, how to use it, and just things to look out for. This is, I believe this is cruelty free. I'm not sure exactly, but I'll find out. It says valid for 24 months. I'm pretty sure that that is like how long it lasts expiration wise. It tells you to put them in the lamp for 60 seconds, LED or UV. Look at these colors, my goodness. And you know, I shopped around for gel liners for quite a bit, and I was looking at all the different ones, and trust me, I have been looking at the ones at Beetles and McCart and all of that, but I had to have this nude set. I had to. Like, I've seen this thing sell out so many times. Let me tell you, this kit is very popular. So I'm just gonna demonstrate for you really quick on a few nail swatches that I already have painted from previous unboxing kits. But look at how thin that detail brush is, first of all. That's amazing to me, because a lot of times nail liner brushes, they can be on the thick side, especially when you're using ones from like Dollar Tree, you know, the ones that are regular polish, and you know, they have the detailing brushes there, not in gel, but the regular polish ones. And the detailing brushes though are a little on the thick side, so this makes drawing with them so much easier. I mean, you can do thick lines with them, but if you don't want to do thick lines and you want your lines to be super thin, these brushes are perfect for that. I give this kit, just from looks, I would give it 5 out of 5, but the quality of it, the colors, the pigmentation, how shiny it is when it comes out of the lamp, it's 5 out of 5 stars for me, and I'm definitely going to be giving these a great review on Amazon. I will also leave the link for these in the cards below for you all. Let me know what you guys think about these gel liners lately. I personally love them for doing nail art. I think that they're an amazing idea. Like, obviously you can use detailing brushes of your own and pour out some gel polish and dip it in there and do that, but this makes it very convenient for those who don't really want to do that and just want to be able to grab a bottle, pull their gel liner brush out, and go to town with the designs. And these are just perfect for doing these French designs, the swirl designs, which I'll be demonstrating in a moment for you all. Now, I also did swatches of each of the colors, and I did like different varying thickness for you all to show that you could do a thin line, you could do a medium line, you could do a thick line. I just wanted to demonstrate that for you guys. So yeah, this black is jet black. The brush is very thin. This is number 23, so it goes from 24 down to the white one, I believe is, okay, so I think it goes down to 12. I think it starts with 12 and goes up to 24. So this is a beautiful dark brown color, and I just decided to kind of do like not a cross, but like the gift box design with the ribbon. I just wanted to show you how pretty that color is. I mean, you get like different shades of the brown, which is really cool. I like that. I just love this Nude series gel liner. I'm like, honestly, you see a lot of the neon colors and the glitter colors, but you don't see any of the nude palettes. And this is, I think, the only company that I've seen thus far that has come out with nude, a variation of nudes in the gel liners. So I had to have these. I had to pick them up. I just love how thin these detailing brushes are. And as you can see from looking in there, the gels are full. So I'm going to show you the swirls really quick. I just love these brushes. Oh my goodness. Definitely go and pick this kit up. I think it's actually sold out right now. That's what I'm telling you. As soon as they come in stock, they're sold out within a few days. So if you want this kit, keep an eye on it on Amazon because they do sell out really fast. So really, really pretty brown colors. These would be perfect for doing the reindeer and Christmas. Look at this next brown. My goodness. Jeez. Oh my God, I love it. I just love how thin these, and I didn't have any issues with the brushes when they came. They were perfect. None of them were bent. The gels were not dried out. They're full. They are clearly brand new, has not been used. So yes, I will be giving these a great review on Amazon as well as here. And unless I state otherwise, all the products that you see me review or unbox, I buy with my own money. I'm hoping to one day, now that we're over 1,000 subscribers, to, you know, have companies reach out to us and maybe review some of their products for you beautiful boutique babes. And yeah, I need more. If you all can help with this, you know, more views, more likes, that way we can get companies to recognize our channel, and that way we can get better quality products on here for you. And I'm hoping to one day, you know, save up enough to start my own brand of acrylics and nail products for you ladies and gentlemen to enjoy. They definitely will be high quality, affordable. Yeah, look at how pretty this pink is. I even give you some really pretty nude pinks. I really, really love how pretty this color is. It reminds me of like a rose color, like a nude rose. That's probably one of the only colors I haven't tried by me a secret, I think, was the cover rose. I definitely need to pick that up. But I'm gonna do another French with this color really quick, and then we're gonna do the swatches, or I think I end with 18, but we're gonna do swatches too. I definitely have to learn how to perfect my smile line when I'm drawing it. And I know like a lot of people start off with the T, so that's what I've been trying to do lately. I know that definitely helps, because then all you have to really do is like round the corners. It's just, for me, I think the hardest part for me is the lines going all the way up into the wings like I'm doing now, trying to get those even on both sides. I think that's the hardest part for me. And I definitely want to try the Jelly Stamper French design, because I have not given that a shot yet, and I really want to see if it works or if it's a dud, or if it's just something that people have been gassing and it's not really true. Like, we'll see if it's a real nail hack or if it's a dud. But let me know what you all think about these gel liners. I absolutely love them. I definitely give them 5 out of 5 stars. Let me know what you all think though. And I definitely recommend this. Both products actually. And once again, I will leave those links in the cards below for you. And until my next video, just sit back and watch and enjoy the rest of this. And I will see you all soon because I'm going to be trying out a Savaland polygel kit with their new watercolor paints that you could do marble patterns with. So yes, I'm gonna be demonstrating that for you all. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. I love you all so much, boutique babes. If you're new here and you're interested in being a boutique babe, we have a giveaway coming up very, very soon. It is my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and I'm going to be doing gift cards, and I am going to be thinking of a word to put in my videos. So if you guys are not watching the entire video, you're not gonna hear about what the word is. So I highly recommend that you watch all the way through. If not, it's probably not gonna be many people entering into the giveaway because they won't know about it. But other than that, y'all, I'll leave you here. This is a beautiful rose color, number 18. That's the only thing I didn't really like about, you know, the kit. It doesn't have names for the colors. It just gives numbers, which a lot of them I think are like that. But other than that, I wouldn't complain about it at all. They are super shiny when they come out of the lamp. They do have a sticky layer, which is helpful when you want to stick on other things to it, like stickers or glitter or anything like that. Other than that, you could just top coat over them with matte or shiny, your choice. But they are super shiny when they come out of the lamp. That part was true. And yes, I will leave y'all here. I love you so much, boutique babes, and I will see you in my next one. Please enjoy this demonstration of these swatches and how thin you could do your lines, how thick you could do them. Yeah, so I'll let you go here. Bye, boutique babes. Love you all. Bye.